Craving bubble tea but don't want to spend $7 on one cup? Yeah, same here. So today I'm making my own at home. It's cheaper, fresher, and honestly just as good. Maybe even better. And the whole thing only costs about $2. Let's get started. First, we're making the pearls. For the pearls, we were using 2 sets of ingredients. Part 1 is a wet mixture, brown sugar, water, and a little tapioca starch. This goes into the pan to form the paste. Part 2 is just dry tapioca starch. We will mix this in later to turn the paste into a dough. Now let's cook part 1 into a paste. Heat the sugar and water just until the sugar melts. Turn off the heat and let it cool a bit, around 70 degrees. If it's too hot, the starch will cook too fast and won't mix properly. Add the tapioca starch and stir it in. Turn the heat back on and keep stirring. When the bottom starts to clump together, lower the heat and stir a little faster. Once it turns into a sticky dough like this, take it out and mix in the dry tapioca starch a little at a time. This part takes patience. Don't rush it. When the dough feels smooth, roll it out, cut it, and shape it into tiny balls. Now let's cook the pearls. Drop them into boiling water. Stir until they float. Then cover the pot and cook for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and let them sit for another 20 minutes. Rinse them, then coat them in brown sugar syrup. And the pearls are done. Now let's make the milk tea. Use a small amount of water to brew the black tea. Add some milk and a bit of brown sugar. Let it simmer for a moment, then remove the tea bags. Pour in some cold milk to make it smooth and creamy. And if you have cream, add some. It makes it even better. And now you've got your own bubble tea. Fresh, homemade, and way cheaper than buying it outside. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.